Good day, everybody. Those of you, please, my voice may not be too loud. You can listen as much as possible. This information is for those of you who are still struggling in the space of cryptocurrency. Perhaps you actually don't have a result to show, and what you think you need are actually not necessary. So what is needed is concentration. I call it focus of beginners and people who are still struggling with crypto business and financial market in general. What do you need? Tools and simple actions. Number one, Phantom Wallet. All right, Phantom Wallet. Number two, MX Exchange or any other exchange, but simple exchange. MX is okay. TradingView, CoinGecko, Twitters, Telegram, YouTube, then PLANB Xpress, free forums, WhatsApp, Telegram, Twitter, and okay, Telegram. Okay, all right. Those are the things you need, right? And so now call for action. What are you supposed to be doing? Very simple. Okay, optional, MT4, MT5, Forex broker, maybe like we have different Anzo Capital, Admirals and all of that. So we have different brokers. Then the real broker for synthetic trading. So this is for FX trading. Now I just want to take it simple, FX trading. And then this is for synthetic trading. Right? The Forest Factory to view fundamentals. Okay? Okay, so if necessary. So then look at it. What am I action? What are your actions? Action required. Number one, you need to register, have your Phantom wallet and all the like. Perhaps here you may need, perhaps you can need or called desk screener. Desk screener. Desk screener. Okay, so now call for action. What are my action? Let's go quickly. Number one, you have opened your exchange and all of that. So let me use this my own as an example. You have opened your exchange. Let me use this one. If I can log in, I don't know. Still remember my login detail. Let me use this guy as an example because I probably will not be able to log into other of my account. So let's use this guy as an example. Okay, so very simple. Don't give yourself unnecessary headache, panic, or here and there. Very simple what you need to do. Very, very simple. Don't need too much. Very simple what you need to do. Okay, so this is an exchange. So let's say this is MSC. You have two tradings on different exchange. You have spot trading and you have future trading. Very simple. Start from the spot. Very simple. Start from the spot. Now, on the spot, so now you open an account, you create an account, deposit an amount. Listen to me, especially beginners. Very simple. Deposit money into your exchange. Okay? Deposit money into your exchange. So let's say, if I can see money here, probably, I don't know. Okay, so deposit money to your exchange. So there's money in the spot account. Very simple. Okay. So what are we supposed to do? Very simple. So here you go to markets. So all you need to do is that divide your money. So you are coming with $100 as a beginner. Divide your money into two, right? Two or three. So two. So buy, first thing you're going to go and buy on your exchange. So buy your USDT, whatever you're getting it from. Allocate to buy Solana, SOL. Buy what? Solana, SOL. Now, when you buy Solana, right? So buy Solana and take it. So how do I buy Solana? For instance, this is you have deposit. I'm not taking you through the rigor of, I'm sure you should know what to do on how to trade and all of that, how to buy. So what you do, this is Solana and I have USDT. Do I? It says spot. I thought I saw money on spot. Oh, okay, maybe there's a fraction of money. So let me move it. Let me move money from futures. Okay. Okay. So let's say $10. Okay. Okay. So very simple. So you go to market. Go to market. And spot trading. Solana as well. Buy Solana. So I'm going to buy at the market price. Buy Solana. So what do you do with Solana? Go to your Factor wallet. All right. Go to your Factor wallet. Very simple, okay? Go to your Factor wallet and deposit your Solana there. So let me go. So I want to withdraw. I think I need to transfer it to funding. So, but let's go. Okay. So withdraw your Factor wallet, transfer to your, not all exchange that does that, so understand what I'm doing. I want to transfer the money, the Solana. Excuse me. Okay. Okay, so here is Solana that we just bought. We're transferring it to spot or to funding. Transfer all. Yes. I'm not teaching you. I'm just telling call for action of some of you, beginners who are still toiling and you will not do everything and you're not productive. It's appalling. If you are one of them, I need you to pay rap attention right now. Solana is the address. So we can withdraw. Minimum withdrawal is 0.1. So I will have to go back and transfer all the money here. Please, I don't want this video to be too long. For future to spot, transfer all. I'll go to spot. Right, Solana. Buy the market price. But that's not how you trade. So I'm just buying. I want to accomplish this as fast as possible. Okay. Solana. So overview. Okay, so spot. Oh, does that mean I can withdraw from spot? I doubt. Okay. Excuse me. Transfer to funding. All. Withdraw. SOL. Paste address. Solana Bennett. Or. Call you. Yes, I know. Okay. Okay. I need to copy the code. A moment. Copy the code. Okay, bluffing. Okay. Bluffing verification. Or I'm gonna do okay, bluffing 289 431. Submit. So I put in the I've requested withdrawal. And so we're going to wait for it. So let's quickly look at it. So you see what, please, I'm doing this for the purpose of those of you who are still lamenting, and please, you are not doing us well in Plan B. You have to wake up. It's very important. So first you have, so let's say $100 or $50 or $200 you have, then you got to start. So first you have to get some money. Okay. So let's look at it if it has arrived. Let's refresh. Or still processing. It's reviewing. Okay, so now next thing you need to do. So I've sent in. So next thing you need to do. So let's say this is your exchange. And of course, you are trading. So very simple thing. Now, the next thing you need to have is the trading view. Very simple, okay? You need to have a trading view. And so your trading view is simple. And most exchange even have what you're looking for, your trading view, skeleton. So, but this is trading view. Your assignment, very simple. Your assignment, you want to engage as a spot trader. Two trading I can recommend for you, swing and scalp. That is day trading and scalping. Very simple. Don't give yourself unnecessary headache. Swing and scalp. Okay, you probably wouldn't have enough money to hold a position. So, but swing and scalp. Okay, so I probably would just recommend for you. Let me take up this. Take up this. Now, I probably will recommend for you. Let me take out this. Like I did this for group of persons, and I told them to have when, popcat, degen, bunk, and whiff to be trading. I'll be monitoring that. Now, how do I ask them to do? This is on hourly time frame. Now, so let's go back to daily time frame because you are going to be scalping and you are going to be swinging and day trading. So let me go to daily time frame. So first, you want to go to daily time frame. I'm not going to do detailed teaching, so understand that. Now, this is what we call top-down analysis. So you want to just, and what do you mean by top-down analysis? A skeleton of it. So this is popcat, okay? This is bunk. This is when. So doing top-down analysis is very simple that you want to identify areas and what we call key levels, okay? You see what I did here? What I did here was this, looking at this market on daily time frame and see how far it has gone before and see the lowest bottom where it is right now. So perhaps I need to, this is a chart. So if you want to get it, probably you want to enroll in Plan B to learn more. So, but it's not difficult, okay? It's not difficult. It's very, very simple to do, okay? So all you do is that you are trying to align key levels on daily time frame to see where the market has gone to, where it is, and where it's preparing to go to, okay? And so you got to know all of those things. So now, understanding structure. We talked about structure of the higher high, higher low. That is, a market move goes up, but it goes, come down, goes, come down. So when you move, we call it impulse move. Come down, we call it a pullback. Okay? We call it a pullback. Okay? So we call it a pullback. So very simple. Now, it does not mean you are going to be trading on daily time frame. No, it's just to mark point. And now when you are drawing this, my lines that you see me drawn, you have to maintain, okay? So let me take this guy back to the blue so that it can be uniform. Now, this is what I've just done. Very simple, okay? So what you just did here was to identify areas of importance. That's what we call key levels. All this, my blue line, we call key levels. What are key levels? Identifying a place where the market have gone to when it go up, where it has touched. So we call it a reversal point or a break-even point. So places where it actually, so you want to measure that your lines cut across minimum of 2 touch points, major touch points, maybe the body of the candle and the wick of the candle. So very simple. So you got to have list of tokens you want to be, so you want to copy this, you can copy this. When, popcat, degen, bunk, whiff. Why not? So, or you probably could add Solana or which other coin, let's say AVAX, any coin. So, but don't put too many coins, okay? So that it can be very simple for you to follow. Now, so this is what I do. So on daily time frame, okay, you are able to structure it. Now, I was telling people about degen last week, that degen was about to move. How do I know? Now, you can see degen, okay? So maybe perhaps I didn't draw all of this for degen. So if not, you're going to find another area here for degen. And then top of itself, so like that, like that. So now, as of last week, degen have shows that, okay, it was here, right? 13th of May, then we have a move up. So when a coin is moving between line to line, you are looking at the next move of degen. For instance, let me take this line. Let's say here. Okay, so don't mind me if it's too close. It's supposed to be, we have monthly, we have weekly, and we have daily of key levels. Okay, so what we are saying here is that degen haven't moved from here. Your target was looking up here. Now, when it got up here, it's either it will get there and stop and return back, or it get there and break it and continue, which it has done. All right. So what exactly are you doing? So when you come on daily time frame to see the bigger picture, so you'd have to go to 4 hours to look for your swing. 4 hours and 1 hour for your swing. Good. Can you see now? So if you look at it now, that last week, right? So I'm not going to be explaining too many things here. So if you look at it, that last week, on the 15th of May, right? Or here, 17th of May, the gen start moving, and you have movement of the gen from here. So let's look at it. Talk about 54%. So what you want to do, the same degen, you want to swing it. So that means you will buy and look at the next up to place, said, okay, when did you get here? And it's now dumping from there, I will sell off. But if you break it and break it, I will leave it. So that means for now, the DJ you bought, you still leave it because you're looking at it should get to this point. But if you couldn't make it to this point and get back here, you will now make the next move. That's why you are drawing these key levels. Okay, so I'll go to 1 hour. Your assignment, proper. You want to always find an entry. Look at it, even on 1 hour. So on 1 hour, you want to find an entry whereby the market is creating a kind of levels. So 1 hour is still more or less like intraday. So your 1 hour and 4 hours can be combined. If you cannot find an entry 1 hour, you can go to 4 hours. So that's to buy it and look at the next key level to sell it there. So, but now your day trading can go to 15 minutes and 5 minutes. Okay, so you can see your day trading can go to 15 minutes and 5 minutes. See exactly what you are doing. Okay, so at this point, see what you have done. You come to the market and see the market was getting bullish. You buy here and probably sell here. You exit. So this should take average of few days or few hours. Okay, this is about 11 hours. You sold because you saw that the market was retracing. There are a couple of indicators you could add to do that. So I can just tell you to add, to take it simple for you, I can take you to add 10 in 1, 10 in 1 moving average, and I'm going to show you what to do. 10 in 1 moving average and MACD. Take it simple. 10 in 1 moving average and MACD. All right, so let's look at, you may want to do some formatting on your 10 in 1. Please, I don't want this video to be too long. So we're going to use 3 EMA. So just to give you, I have a lot, so but just to make it simple for you. 48, 48. So high and low. Okay? The high, blue. The low, black. Okay? So just do something for you. So then we'll go back. So go to this color, make it thicker. So here too, you could make it thicker. If you want to leave it like this, you can leave it, or or you can make this one very bogus. Here, okay, very simple. So do you see it? Okay, so very simple for you. So even in 5 minutes, that's your day trading. just to keep yourself an assignment, on an assignment. Okay, so see what we're doing. You're using MACD to trade and using moving average channel. Okay, so look at your MACD. So your assignment is that you come when the MACD crosses, that's the MACD line crosses above the signal line, you want to buy. Okay, and then when the MACD signal line and the MACD line crosses below the signal line, you want to sell and leave. You are waiting again and look at it. You are waiting again when another cross. And when this cross happens, you want to see that there's a close above either the low or the high of the moving average channel. And you buy. So, but this I wouldn't buy because no volume. Look at it. So, but I just give it to you. So look at another opportunity you find to buy here. Look at it here. It crosses above, and then you have, maybe you want to wait for a good confirmation, but already this above 200 moving average, you buy. Then when MACD crosses, you sell. Do you see? Those of you who I don't know what you are doing with yourself. So if you are future trader, you know what to do with this channel. Okay. All right. So before you start learning what we call price action and all of those things, you have to come to Plan B to enroll for that, and so that you'll be able to learn properly. So this is very simple. So the same thing, pop cards, you just find the essence is that the money you keep there, you are buying low and selling high. Buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. To make sure you are making money. Because I've seen a lot of people are just doing this business and no proof, no result. People around them are tired of them. And you can't blame the people who are tired about you because they are not seeing result. Okay? So you need to, I'm not saying you should have result to do yaga to them, but produce the result so that even you yourself will be happy. The essence of us being in business to make money. Can you see this one now? The bulk. So it's not the time you find an entry because you just want to make sure you find a sure entry. So with the same thing. Okay. Avas. Okay. You can see Avas have been ranging. You perhaps might be struggling all this while to have found an entry by Avas, but you will have found Avas here. Look at MACD cross. Okay. Just doing all of this. Another beautiful thing is that even when you buy a particular call at a point on the 20th, look at Avas. Look at MACD cross. And again, the good thing is this, even as MACD cross, you have bought. And MACD cross down, but still above your channel, your 200, your moving average channel, both the channel and the 200 moving average. You are still in. Look at it. This you can ride, you can leave it as long as possible. So, but at this point, look at it. It's still hit on the channel. Look at it. It's still an uptrend. Can you see? So at this point, right, still hit on this. So we perhaps will have exit here because you don't know that market is actually now hit this, your moving average. So eventually it's here you exit. So that will be, look at it, on the 20th, and you bought, you held it from $36 and then to $40, right? So that's what you do. So let's quickly go to the phantom. We have withdrew. Oh, okay, it has arrived. Here's the Solana we withdrew. So very simple. If you go to desk screener, let me go to desk screener, for instance. Go to desk screener. Okay. So here is desk screener. So let's say that why I tell you that you need to be on Plan B Express platform is very simple. So that when information are passed, you can hear and you take advantage of them. That's exactly what we do in Plan B. Okay? So let's say we ask people to buy a token called Mini, or later you learn how to do it by yourself. We ask people to buy a token called Mini, and I think we bought cheaper. So look at this is Mini, for instance. So this is Mini. Wow, so this coin has been so healthy for a while. So imagine for somebody who have been trading Mini. I'm not sure I can add indicator here, but even though if I cannot add indicator, Mini have been moving very well. Okay, let's say you can add MACD. Okay, you could actually. So the same thing. So you can see, you look at MACD cross, you buy, MACD cross, you sell. This is a MACD cross, you buy, MACD cross, you sell, MACD cross, you buy. I perhaps sometimes check this to my own settings. I take off this guy, change this guy to column. This is how I do my own, so it must not compulsory do like mine. So see what I'm doing. A cross, I buy. A cross, I sell. Yeah, very simple. Okay, does that make sense? So that means we are bought here. So let's look at it. What percentage is this? Very simple, right? 20%, guys. 20%. These are some things I've not told a lot of people. So you're lucky. So we'll have a full course on how to scalp low gems. So you can imagine you will have done crazy money. So let's see, since when it was listed. So it went up here. That's crazy. So let's say this is on the, oh, today. Are you serious? Today's, okay, yesterday. So let's look at it. 26% on your Solana, 26%. So this was not too big one. So, but you just want to be facing using MACD. 10%. Sold, problem. Another one, 11%. Okay. All right. So this is 21%. If you write it, 31%. Come on now. Come on now. Okay, so let's do experiment. I'm going to buy. I actually use robots to trade. So let's say, so what to buy Mini. How do you go about that? You go to this. All right. So you're going to go to Jupiter. All right. You'll connect with your Phantom wallet. Okay. Yeah, Phantom. So this is Jupiter. Connect with my Phantom. There you go. What's the coin name? Mini. Here is Mini. switch it over to buy. So half of my Solana swap. You wait. Waiting for wallet to sign in. Now, when it shows something like this, don't swap. It's not going to go through. Redo it. Okay, maybe there is a change in price or something. It's not going to go through. So I got to refresh it somehow. Okay, half. Swap. No. So if it didn't go through, so I'm going to stop because I have a lot to do. So, but you just have, you swap here. If you want to learn how to use robot to trade Logem, how to reset with Logem, how to reset Logem with robot, and all the strategy we use, you gotta contact me and then we'll talk about it. Right? So that's it for everybody. You are new, then you are not, or you are still toiling around, you're not doing the right thing. Come on, you have to wake up, right? You have to wake up. So go to the chat box, the comment section of this video, take all the necessary link for any exchange you want to have. So, but just make sure you're buying, you're selling, right? You're buying, you're selling, whatever. So I don't want to have excuse of people are not progressing. So it's appalling. It's appalling. It doesn't really give a good image to us in Plan B. Everybody need to produce result. You got to produce result. You got to make money. You have to make money. All right? I have to make this video because it paid me a lot of people are not producing result. That you are a newbie does not mean you cannot make money. You save money if you can follow simple instruction. No need to know many things, okay? You make money, no need to know too many things. Just a simple instruction, simple strategy, and you're going to make a lot of money. Right? So, ladies and gentlemen, this should be enough for you. So, do the right thing. Let's make money together. Does that make sense? All right.